Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Audi S8. We'll dive straight into the heart of these luxury performance sedans, exploring what makes each generation unique. From their powerful engines to their sophisticated interiors, we'll uncover the key differences and improvements. Get ready to see how Audi has refined its flagship S8 over time, offering distinct driving experiences and technological leaps. Let's talk power. The D4 generation boasts a robust 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, producing around 512 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque. The D5, however, elevates this with a mild hybrid system, pushing out 563 horsepower and a substantial 590 pound-feet of torque. Both utilize an 8-speed automatic transmission, but the D5's extra power and hybrid assist offer a slightly quicker 0 to 60 miles per hour time, often around 3.7 seconds. Moving to design and technology, the D4 maintains a more traditional, elegant look, while the D5 adopts a sharper, more contemporary design language. Inside, the D4 features Audi's well-regarded MMI infotainment system. The D5, however, introduces the dual-screen MMI touch response system, offering a more integrated and futuristic cabin experience. Both generations provide exceptional comfort and premium materials, but the D5 integrates more advanced driver assistance systems and connectivity features. When it comes to the driving experience, both S8 models offer incredible performance and luxury. The D4 provides a powerful, confident ride with its adaptive air suspension. The D5 takes it further with its predictive active suspension and all-wheel steering, offering a more dynamic and agile feel, especially around corners. While the D4 is a fantastic performance sedan, the D5 represents a significant leap in refinement, technology, and overall driving sophistication, making it a truly modern executive express.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.